Today, another trip to Home Depot. We are getting more white paint for the house because we ran out, because we decided to go ahead and paint the eaves the same color as the brick. So we need more white paint, we need some stain. We got to pick a stain for all the cedar accents and a few other things, so here we go. So this is the stain we're going with for these shutters and our little address box. And of course, it's called Honey. Love anything honey related. But it's a really rich brown color. I think it'll add a lot of just something other than white and black and blue, something warm toned. So he's about to stain the shutters. Let's see how it goes. It's window box time. I'm pumped about this. Okay, so far we have tilled up this spot and we got most of the roots out. So I think he's gonna rake it a little bit more even and we're gonna start planting. And he got this spot over here to the right ready to plant. So I think I'm gonna start putting the shrubs in this flower bed.
rocks all the way around that.
That is a lot of rocks.
I think we'll have extra.
I think we'll have extra.
Look at how far that one
We just went to the store, got us a bunch of pebbles, whatever they're called.
Landscaping stone or something.
It's gonna look so good. So we got this kind because we need it to drain well because we don't have gutters yet, and water drains right in that corner and like floods right here. That's why we put the rock as well, to keep it from making like a bowl from all the water hitting it. And so yeah, it's good for drainage in wet areas, controlling erosion, which we were having an issue with right there as well, and then preventing weeds, which we've got the weed tarp, but I think it'll help as well. So can't wait to see what it looks like. Putting a little border around this flower bed. Looking good. Alright, Hunter had to go get more bags because we had a couple of empty spots. But yeah, it's getting a little darker outside, but we're going to go ahead and fill the rest of these spots in. I don't think there's many spots on this side, but maybe just a few. But yeah, it is coming along well. Okay, that's all for this video. We filled in some of the areas. The rocks aren't different colors, but out of the bag they're kind of wet with like a clay mud. So once those get dry, they'll be the same color. And it's supposed to rain tonight, so yeah, the rocks will be rinsed and stuff. And yeah, so right now it just looks like two different colors, but it's looking really good. We still have to do some more cleanup, like we got to power wash all the concrete, but it is coming along very nicely. We're very happy with it, and we're hoping that when it rains, that rock will help. When the water comes from that corner, it will help it not make a bowl in the dirt, and hopefully the rocks will drain very well. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll have a few little more projects in the next video, and we'll probably do the whole reveal of the house in the next one. So see you next time. Bye.